We have the fraction 1/8. I'm going to convert this fraction to a percent. I'm going to do this by changing this fraction to a decimal. I change a fraction to a decimal by dividing the numerator by the denominator. 8 goes into 1, 0 times. So now I'm going to add a decimal, and I'm going to bring that decimal up. And I add a 0. 8 goes into 10, 1 times. 1 times 8 is 8. I subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. I'm going to add another 0 and bring that 0 down. 8 goes into 20, 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. I'm going to subtract. 20 minus 16 is 4. I'm going to add another 0 and bring it down. 8 goes into 40, 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, that gives me a remainder of 0. So 1/8 as a decimal equals 0.125. Now I got to convert this decimal to a percent. So in order to convert a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100. And like we showed you in the video, in the previous video, the shortcut way of multiplying by 100 is taking my decimal and moving it 2 times to the right. So 1/8 equals 12.5%. Now, I have 2/5. I'm going to show you a different way of changing this fraction to a percent. A percent is out of 100. So when I have fractions, when my denominator is 100, your numerator is automatically the percent. So I could create an equivalent fraction to make this 2/5 my denominator equaling 100. I do this by multiplying the 5 by 20. So I'm going to have a scale factor of 20. 5 times 20 is how I get my 100. And to make that equal, whatever I do to my denominator, I must do to my numerator. So to get my numerator, I have to multiply my 2 by 20. And 2 times 20 would give me 40. So 2/5 equals 40%.